Hello and welcome to this unboxing. In this video we are going to be unboxing this tripod. This is a tripod by PROSmart. The model number is the 3120A, and let's see what it says over here. It says that it has a 3-way pan head. It has a 4-section leg, quick lever lock. It has rubber leg tips, and there's some more information given, like it weighs 420 grams. So let's just go ahead and open this up. This is basically a good tripod if you want something for your mobile phone or for a lightweight DSLR. Okay, we'll just take it out. So this is the mobile clip that comes. This is to hold your mobile phone. Okay, and the tripod itself comes in this black bag. I'll just take it out. There you go. So there you go, that's the tripod. Again, it's quite small, it's compact. It has 4 leg sections, as you can see. I'll just open it up. And this is the head itself. There is a bubble over here, fluid for checking whether it's level or not. If you set it up, it sets up like that. This of course just screws in over here on the top, and yep, that's pretty much it. It offers you full pan tilt. You can even open this up, and this should go horizontal like that, so you could actually hold your mobile vertically like that for your TikTok videos, or well, TikTok is banned, so for other mobile phone app like Instagram videos and stuff. So there you go, folks. That was the unboxing of the PROSmart tripod. That's exactly what you get in the box. You don't get anything else. There is no documentation or anything like that. So we hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.